And welcome back to Girl Dad Reviews. We're here with what?
Evie, Lucia,
All right. So today,
Grace.
what do we have, girls?
So we have, it's called
Let's see. Hold it up.
Tiny Dancers.
Mine is called Trolls. That's all. And like mine is called Trolls. It looks like the game.
There's 12 to collect.
So you have to like press the other button.
There's 12 to collect, and then Lucy has these have I think it's series 1.
So this we actually kind of found. It was the last one at Target, and they actually didn't even have it in their system anymore. It was something that
it
was a good find,
It was the last
right?
one.
So, and it was only
We
like
got Troll Theme.
it actually didn't have a price on it, so they gave it to us for 50 cents. Woo.
Oh wow.
All right, so we're gonna start by opening up Evie's
Then
first.
Grace, then mine. I like Grace go. I don't want to go.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Evie,
I went first last time.
no, Grace. No, Grace. Grace.
Figure it
Rock,
out.
paper, scissors.
Figure it out.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
You go.
You gotta go.
Come on, I went first last time.
Rock, paper, scissors.
This is the worst. Oh, and by the way, we saw that play.
Oh, it's easy.
It's so easy.
What is that? Oh, she's pretending to be
Little blind bag.
Here's
See.
the bag.
So this little box
It's
says
really
trolls.
Okay, and then we got
And- oh! Look! Wait.
those are sunglasses.
Okay.
Let me show you guys.
Wait, there's sunglasses. Sunglasses for people?
For me.
What the?
Wow.
I'm
So
not gonna
that
open
means
them.
I know who that is. Here, can I try? But I'm not gonna tell you.
You guys can look at this. Here's all the
Hi.
collectibles. Here's
Hi,
all the
Grace's
collectibles.
glasses.
Oh, let's see. All right, so those are the ones that we could
I
get.
hope you get Poppy.
I don't know what I'm gonna get.
See, I hope you get the little guy because he's so cute.
We haven't got Oh, this is really easy to open actually.
That's nice for once.
Oh, I said that little guy.
Is that who it is?
It is. Its name is. I think it's
Doesn't say the name.
Yeah,
at
it doesn't
all.
say the name.
Let's see it. Let's see the toy.
Wait, can I feel it?
It's hair.
Let's see it.
His hair is so crazy. You can.
And what else is in there
I
with
don't
it?
know what this is.
Is that like a nuku? Oh, it's a ring.
Wait.
Oh,
It's a.
can you wear it?
Oh, I think.
Wow, this is kind of cool.
Okay. Yeah, you can wear it. So put it in. Put your.
Oh,
finger
it's a
in it.
ring.
Yeah. That's not how you wear a ring.
I don't know how to wear a ring.
Flip it over.
No, put it.
There we go.
Now, Evie, you're gonna get
Don't
one of
break
those.
What about your pinky?
No.
Let's see. Cool. Wait, do its legs jiggle?
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, dude.
Let's
hey,
see.
Dude. Hey. Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
Oh, cool.
hey, dude.
Yeah, it kind of like wiggles.
Stop doing that.
All right. Cool. That's neat. And it was really easy to open, which is a bonus.
It is.
Whoa. It comes easily. You got glasses, too. Glasses. Oh, you broke that. You broke the
Okay,
glasses.
so don't do that.
I didn't do that.
I'll
Maybe
fix-
some people slam them.
I'll fix it.
Oh, if you can't.
Wait, I got Branch.
Wait, who did you get?
No, that funny guy.
Oh, it's the
Branch.
funny guy. It's.
Can you hold them up?
Wait, he's so funny.
Fonzo. Let me get a word.
We already know his name.
Oh,
Branch.
it's a golden one.
Whoa.
Golden. It's his brother. It's his brother.
Whoa. His shaking body.
Oh.
So
It's a
you put
ring.
him in his mouth? Wait, where did
Is that a ring too?
They're all rings.
Wait, it goes sideways.
Or is that a hair clip? Oh, let's see. Don't cover it up. It is a hair clip for sure. It's the coolest hair clip ever, right?
Okay. I'm done with this video.
No. We still have Lucy. All right.
I'm done with it.
Thanks, Evie.
Yeah, open.
Thanks for being a good sport.
Poppy. Little baby Poppy. Look at those butt cheeks. Oh, she's so cute.
Here, let's see. Hold her up to the camera.
Actually, that's a little baby that I love. She's so scared. Wait. She is so scared.
Can you hold her up so everybody can see? Wait, let's see.
So she got,
Very cute.
She can be little, and that's Branch and Poppy big.
Cool.
So we got her. Oh, you're supposed to figure out the.
Okay, what do you think about everything? What do you think about the toy? Grace?
2 thumbs up. I
Wait,
don't
no.
know.
No,
Evie?
the trolls.
What would you say? Yeah?
The
Would you think? Do you think other kids should go out and try one of these?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. You heard it, moms and dads. Hello, girls liked it. We hope that you
Like and subscribe.
and check out our other videos. Thank you.